Good morning, crew. I hope you all are doing well. I got some feedback that the website for tracking our hiking merit badge, your all's hiking merit badge, was not looking good for you all. Some issues about navigation. I wanted to point out a few things that have been added. One or two updates ago, there's this hiking summary, shows each of you what hikes you've been on, what is left to go. I know that Gage and Brody did a 10-mile makeup hike at Greenway. That was fantastic. I know that Trey and Dominic are going to be doing a 10-mile makeup hike with Mr. Kakamo. Also fantastic. And then we'll be doing our fourth 10-mile at Umstead. And 20-mile will be organized by Mr. Kakamo in first weekend in April. Also fantastic. I added some things. There is these completion codes were kind of buried deep inside. I moved them right below this clickable area, a contents clickable area that was added a couple updates ago. You click on the merit badge requirements. You're at merit badge requirements. You click on our first hike. You're at our first hike. Each of these shows a status of what plans have been provided and what reports have been provided. We also have our second hike here. Started to do these nice photograph blogging sites that you can go to. Each one of these images is clickable. You can click into it. Once you're there, you can go forward and see various photographs. You can go back to the index. It has also the results from the watch. My Apple Watch shows some of our distances and durations and elevational changes, and our actual trek there is actually shows up at, and that's how the trek looked. My watch ran out of juice right at that red dot, so we missed that little tail end going back to camp. So a lot of information is out there. I just made updates today. I also added a line to put segments between different sections. The page numbers are in reverse order because the next page will be here at the beginning and it will be page 7. But there is also this addendum. These are the actual injuries that have been observed at Philmont, and we'll be going over these in our first aid meeting Thursday, tomorrow night. I look forward to seeing you guys. And so that's what we have. I appreciate it. I'll see you guys soon. Take care.